Hello everyone, welcome to Eternal Bliss, Supreme Intelligence. Today we are here to discuss about real happiness, that is eternal happiness. It's my pleasure to be with Mainampati Prasad Garu, who has already walked in a path of spirituality since 37 years, and who has a secret key of eternal happiness, the happiness which lasts forever. So let's move on and welcome our Guruji. Guruji, namaskaram.
Namaste.
Yes. So, Guruji, I have few questions regarding, I want to know what is eternal happiness. So, my first question is, Guruji, according to you, what is life?
Okay, it's a very, very complex question. To begin with, I wanted to have a couple of things to be clear.
Okay.
Why are we doing this? How are we going to do this? This is very important, right?
Okay.
It is not that someone is questioning and someone is answering. You understand, right? It is not that you ask question,
Correct.
I answer that question,
Yes.
which is completely meaningless. Let's elaborate a little bit, because when I say, generally we are used to that kind of methodology, isn't it?
Yes.
So that is how our life started, and our life is that we're going to end our life like that. Why? That is how it is been programmed. Right from childhood, we ask, someone tells, right? And especially the thing that we are going to discuss is very, very, very important thing, critical, and at the same time it is very complex, which is life. In this matter, maybe if I have to learn mathematics or chemistry or physics, there question answer will work,
Correct.
right? There will be a teacher, and because they have gone through that, and they will
A perfect
explain
curriculum.
whatever they know.
Correct.
Let's keep it very simple, right? There it works. Two twos are, I don't know, they will tell. Is my teacher or she is my teacher. When it comes to your life, question answers is utter meaningless. Why? That is the question. We wanted to see why it is. Unless that is clear, we cannot take this forward. See, we have many saviors so far, isn't it? Right from Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya,
Correct.
even before him, Veda Vyasa, right? These are our teachers. And you have various teachers like Gautama, the Buddha, Jagadguru, Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna, right? These are our teachers. That's how we see. They taught so much about our life. All the Upanishads, all the Gita, Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, you name it. These all are teachings, yes or no?
Yes.
That means someone answered your questions.
Correct.
My simple question to ourselves, because question itself is question, right?
Yes, exactly.
So, is that worked? Let us be honest, because this is not a question answer method. Let me make it very clear, because that never worked so far. I wanted you to see that, because outside world, in the sense, if I don't know how to drive a car, someone can explain, someone can tell me, hey, this is called steering, this is pedal, this is clutch, whatever it is, this is brake, and so on and so on. There, the teaching has value. When it comes to life, which is completely different dimension than that, this is your feeling, your very feeling. Many gurus try to help us, isn't it?
Yes.
They have done phenomenal job. They have dedicated their life. You take Adi Shankara, who has lived very, very small amount of years, like 32 years. The work is done by Adi Shankara is phenomenal. No human being cannot even think of doing it. In 32 years, he has done all the bhashyams and all that Upanishads, everything, and he walked four times across, top to bottom, and had many discussions with many people. Where we stand now, same old. Wherever we have started, that is where we are.
Correct.
Even you take the case of Arjuna. Krishna himself, Bhagavan himself taught everything. The whole teaching is Bhagavad Gita. Honestly speaking, what happened to Arjuna? Nothing. Same old Arjuna is back, right? Again he happened to ask Sri Krishna, Baba, you told me something. I have forgotten. Why don't you tell me again? He said, it's not required now. It's over. The purpose is done. Even take our life, because we have not seen it, what happened and all that. We have learned from books and all that. I question that too. Learning from books is a big time joke. Asking question and someone is answering, especially when it comes to the realm of life, it's very, very dangerous. It can take only two directions. One direction is either you say yes to it because don't know what the hell he's talking about. Yes, fine. And then you go back and leave your old way of life, right?
Yes.
That's what is happening so far.
Yes.
Am I talking something?
No, Guru.
It's our very life I am talking about.
Exactly true.
We listen to gurus, we listen to that, we listen to damn everything.
Exactly.
We don't leave anybody.
Correct.
Whoever comes, we listen. But after very moment of that, even I question during the listening, are we listening? That's the biggest, we are getting to the granular level, you see it?
Yes, correct.
So end of the teaching, what happens? Thank you very much. We might even say, oh, what a wonderful speech. It's a good dance. You have done it. Maybe you can do it a little better. See how shallow the whole moment of asking question and someone is giving answer, which is a terrible thing if you really look at it. We never ever learn anything just by someone's answer. You cannot learn anything from somebody's answer. This is the point I want to make it. Do you see that, first of all? Not here, not intellectually, not creating some kind of ideology of the discussion and make a thought out of it, right? Oh, seems to be correct. No good. When you really see the reality of it, then your perception is going to be different. That's very, very, very important, I'm telling you. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Guru.
So, I hope you understand what we are discussing. See, explaining will never work. Do you see that first of all? Why explain? Okay, let us put another important question. Why is it not going to work? When it comes to learning something, it's going to work there, right?
Correct.
Car driving, learning a language, there it will work. Why it will not work here?
No answer.
You see, your energies are required here. You have to employ all your intelligence, all your brain must work here. Listening, right? The word very listening has so much. Let me ask you a simple question. Do we listen?
Only 50%.
When it comes in percentage, we are not listening. It's over. Isn't it? Listening itself is a big thing to discuss. We can't listen to anybody.
Correct.
How come we are listening there, driving and all that?
It's important for us.
It's important.
necessity.
And it's not much, you don't need to use much brain there. What is that? Push the clutch and it's and again, if you are thinking while you are driving, very dangerous, right?
Correct.
You think while you drive how to drive it, then you'll meet with an accident, no doubt about it.
True.
Similar way, the way you cook. Everything that you do are math. If you start thinking 2 2s and all that, that means you have no idea, then you go and practice and all that. I wanted you to see this is real learning. Now you tell me, if someone says something, you said 50%.
Yes.
I question that too. Do we listen at all? That is what my question is. We listen, but there is a big matching goes on, right? Whatever I know, whatever I believe,
Correct.
my faith, whatever I trust,
Correct.
all that what we call prejudice, opinions, beliefs, faith, all that comes stands. The moment you hear a sound, instantly it will all come and stand before you.
Correct.
Then what are you telling me? Then it will start filtering.
True.
All match, no match, throw it out. No match, throw it out. Match, keep it. No match, throw it out. After the entire process of this match, keep it. Doesn't match, throw it out. After 1 hour, 2 hours discussion, even Sri Krishna says, or Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi says, or Sai Baba says, doesn't matter.
Correct.
You take all that and goes through this process. Then end of the discussion is what?
Nothing.
You are what you are.
True.
You are what you are.
Yes.
Nothing been added, nothing been, no change. Do you see that?
Yes, yes, Guru.
Because listening itself is art of listening. That is where the basic thing, the basic learning will start. My question is, do we learn anything at all?
I have a question, Guru Garu,
Please.
at this point. So, you are telling listening is a very good skill.
It's
Am I
an
right?
art.
Okay, it's an art.
What is art then? I'll let you complete your question, then please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Then our parents still listen things like when they're talking,
Yes.
they'll tell us to listen.
Yes.
When you're going to any movie, we listen, we absorb things.
Yes.
When we are in a school or college, we listen to the lectures. And we are already doing the listening part.
We made differentiation. You remember? Listening how to drive is required.
Okay.
If someone is telling how to drive, I'll say I don't listen, then you'll be in trouble. You got that differentiation? Listening while you are learning mathematics, you don't question Guru, 2 2s are 4, how you tell me. But when it comes to your life, which is completely different, what way? What way it is different?
Because it's our life and
You
we
are-
are looking for the real happiness in our life.
It's your very feeling that is the bottom of it. Your life is what you feel. Tell me what else is your life.
So what is feeling, Guru Garu?
We'll come to that. Okay, what is feeling? It's a good thing. When I say something to you,
Okay.
some abuse, if I give a harsh word, how you respond to it? How do you feel? Anger, agitation, violence, we know all that.
Exactly.
Right? That's feeling. When I say something really great about you, how intelligent you are, I never seen a person like you, how quick you are to grasp the things. You see the feeling, the energy, movement of the energy,
Correct.
that's the feeling. Is that clear?
Yes. True.
You are that.
Why can't we always feel the same, Guru Garu?
We'll come to that first of all. We'll go step by step, step by step. Where we have started, we should not forget that.
Yes, exactly.
Teaching will never work. I wanted you to understand. Teaching will never work when it comes to your feeling. That is the connectivity. You see that?
Yes.
Not intellectually. Do you really feel that? When it comes to your life, which is your very feeling, the throbbing of energy, their teaching will never work. I want to get this differentiation very, very clearly. You wanted to learn maybe shooting, camera shooting, or maybe gun shooting, or maybe how do you want to become an aviation person, how do you want to fly a flight?
Okay.
There you follow exactly what is being told, because you can't question, that's how it works.
Correct.
That is fixed.
Yes.
This is
Flexible.
very dynamic, not at all fixed. I wanted to get the utter clear clarity. Why teaching will never ever works when it comes to your life. Teaching is dangerous, in fact. Teaching spoiled us. If you have all the energies, unless one employs all their energies, they cannot see the truth of this. I'll tell you how dangerous it is. Teaching at your life level is very dangerous. It's a torture actually. I'll just throw some light on it, see if you can. You wanted to live peacefully, right?
Yes.
Everybody wants to live peacefully.
Obviously.
That's an ideal.
Way of living.
That's ideal
Exactly.
for you, right? But what are you actually? We are violent, agitated,
Correct.
confused, not satisfied. We have 1,000 questions.
Yes.
In simple terms, we human beings are violent.
Only human beings are violent, Guru?
We are talking about human beings. First, let us start from there.
Okay.
Because we leave this, we want to export the whole thing, then no use.
Correct.
Unless you answer yourself,
Yes.
yeah, dog is violent or that, no, doesn't carry any value.
Correct.
Even not human beings, you and me are violent.
Correct.
Are we not?
Yes, we are.
Yes. Say, ideal. Now what happens? We know we are violent, and we heard that we should be very peaceful.
Yes.
Being peacefulness is great, which is not at all true in our life. And the whole life of what we really go through is conforming every movement to that ideal is a terrible torture. I am violent. I wanted to be non-violent. But every action that we do, every movement that we do, natural will come. Naturally we are violent. We show our violence, and then we struggle to make our life all kinds of twists and tweaks to become non-violent, which is terrible fight, terrible torture. Will the teaching is going to work here? That's what I am asking.
No.
Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya said, Sri Krishna said, Jesus said, even Allah said, be peaceful. Especially in Islam, they say this is the another name for peace, isn't it? People said that. Great people said that peace is the highest virtue of life.
Correct.
But what are we? Where did the teaching work? That is what I am questioning. And we wanted to see the reality of the teaching. Means answering your question, right?
Correct.
Now, you see that? Now you tell me, is the teaching going to work?
No.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Or you are telling intellectually?
I can see that clearly.
100%.
Yes.
So that means you never ever going to ask someone
Correct. True.
what good it is. When these so-called great people said, and all those particular religions are terribly violent. Sorry to, that's the reality, isn't it? They are terribly violent. You know, the most terror thing is going on in the name of peace.
Correct.
See the teachings, what the teachings have done. If nobody said anything, people must have lived normally. right?
Yes, they are.
If you are left alone by yourself, normally by birth, take baby, she is not violent. We train violent
Correct.
by showing some ideal.
Yes. If we do whatever we do in front of them, they are going to grasp the same thing.
Right? Because
And they
we
are going to
teach
act
them.
this. Exactly.
Our very education is rotten, I am telling you. Either you is some great person, saintly person, we call so-called saintly person, said, or our teacher, our neighbor, our parent, our friends, everybody is a teacher. That is the problem. I am telling you. No, everybody is there to preach.
Yes.
I am questioning all those teachings. I am saying throw all those teachings aside, which have not worked for your life, which have not really worked for anybody. Right from the mankind, the time immemorial, mankind has suffered terribly, having some kind of ideal. Ideal is a teaching, right? That is really putting us in turmoil. Life became miserable. You see the danger of ideals and all that? The teachings and everything? Never worked. Show me in one case where the teaching has worked.
Nowhere.
Right?
Yes.
So where do we go then? What is our next course of action? That's what I'm asking. You started with questioning, right?
Yes. Now we
will
don't
see,
have
we will
any
see how do you really come out of this? What is the way?
Okay.
Right? You have trouble, and I have trouble. The whole mankind is living terrible life, all kinds of problems. What is the way out? How do we come out of it? Definitely teaching will not work. We have seen the futile. It's very futile, and the futility of that. And what works is inquiry. Okay, we'll go into that in our next discussion. Very, very important. What is the real thing that is going to answer all your questions? Now, none of the questions answered.
Correct.
Is that true?
Yes, yes.
Utter truth. It's a fact.
Correct.
Not even single question is being answered by anybody. None of these books, none of these gurus, none of the saints, none of the so-called religious people, you name it. Nothing has worked so far.
Correct.
But there is a way all your questions will be answered without any question. Isn't that beautiful?
Obviously.
So
wonderful.
are you interested in looking into that?
Yes, Gurugaru.
Okay, definitely.
It will be my honor to listen to that.
Yes.
I'll blessed.
Okay, let us go into that when we meet next time.
Okay, thank you, Gurugaru. Thank you for this wonderful
Thank you.
speech. I am really happy, and I'm really looking forward to know how we are going to do that.
Okay.
And thank you, everybody. Please do subscribe, like our channel, and if you have any questions which are unanswered, please do comment. And if you still don't want to comment it in the public, you can go to our website, which is in the description, and you can post your question there. We are definitely going to get in touch with you. So see you. Thank you.